Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Introducing the stunning viscose Georgette heavy weaving sari with two-sided zari border. In today's video, we will be unboxing and review this execute sari, price at just 1200. First, let's take a look at the intricate design of this sari. The pure viscose Georgette fabric gives a luxurious and silky feels, making it a perfect choice for any special occasion. Now let's move on to the heavy weaving work. The dedicated and details embroidery at a touch of elegance and making this saree truly stand out, and the two-sided saree border add a beautiful contrast, enhancing the overall look of this saree. It showcases traditional craftsmanship at this finest quality, and the Saree comes in a variety of vibrant colors to suit your personal style and taste. It's sure to make a statement wherever you go. When it comes to comfort and style, this saree checks all the boxes. It drapes beautifully and flatters all body types, making you look fabulous from every angle. Whether it's a wedding festival, any special occasion, this viscose Georgette heavy weaving saree with two-sided zari border is wardrobe essential. So, if you want to add a touch of sophistication to your collection, don't miss out on this amazing deal. It's priced at just only 1200, making it an absolutely steal. Thank you for watching unboxing and review video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and for more fashion updates and exciting deals, stay stylish, and we will see you in the next video. And guys, if you want to purchase this item, the initial link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.